In this video, I'll show you how to remove Facebook Pixel from Shopify. First, it's important to know that there are different places where a Meta or Facebook Pixel might be connected in Shopify. Shopify says Meta Pixel tracking can be added through the Facebook and Instagram by Meta Sales Channel, through a custom pixel, or by adding pixel code manually in your theme or checkout-related scripts. So before removing anything, you need to identify how the pixel was installed. If your pixel was connected through Shopify's Facebook and Instagram by Meta Setup, start in your Shopify admin and open the Facebook and Instagram sales channel. Then go to Settings and review the pixel or data sharing section there. That's usually the cleanest place to disconnect the Meta pixel if it was installed through the official integration. Meta's own help also notes that partner platform pixels can be removed or disabled from the platform where they were installed. If the pixel was added as a manual code snippet in your theme, Shopify says you need to remove it directly from the theme files. Go to Online Store, then Themes. Click the three dots on your current theme, choose Edit Code, open theme.liquid, and delete the Meta Pixel code from inside the head section. Then click Save. Shopify specifically says this is how to remove pixel code from the theme file. You should also check for other older pixel locations. Shopify says existing pixel code might still be sitting in places like theme.liquid, checkout.liquid for Shopify Plus stores, or the additional scripts area in checkout settings. If you leave old code behind, the pixel can keep firing and create duplicate tracking even after you think it's removed. If you created the meta tracking as a custom pixel inside Shopify, go to the Customer Events or Pixel Management area in your admin and remove or disable that custom pixel there. Meta also points merchants to check both app pixels and custom pixels when cleaning up duplicate or extra meta tracking inside Shopify. After removing the pixel, test your store again using Meta's tools or your preferred browser extension to make sure the old pixel is no longer firing. This step matters because some stores have more than one Meta pixel installed without realizing it. So if tracking still appears, go back and check the sales channel, custom pixels, theme code, and any leftover scripts one more time. That's how to remove Facebook Pixel from Shopify. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.